The studio monitor from Apple has just been announced and it is really enticing. Let's get into it. So the Mac Studio, which is M1 Mac Mini on steroids, is really powerful. It's probably the most pro-class desktop we have so far with Apple Silicon, and to go with this they announced a new monitor. Now it's a more affordable monitor. Now this monitor sports a whole lot of specs and it's built to look exactly like the Mac Studio, catered to that exact market as well. So in a sense we're getting more of an acknowledgement from Apple. Yeah, okay, the Pro Display X Duo was kinda, I don't know how to describe it. Of course, this monitor will be in a lot of pro class environments now, and of course it's Type-C, Thunderbolt, and of course it works with all the Apple Silicon Macs, because if it didn't I'd be depressed. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. Enjoy the rest of my coverage of this event. I'll catch you next one.